The design of the new I-Pace is revolutionary. Every surface has been designed for aerodynamic efficiency. From the flush-fitting door handles to the rear diffuser. The flowing waistline and stunning coupe-inspired silhouette provide a premium and sporty look and allow the vehicle to slice cleanly through the air with minimal resistance. The bold grille curves inwards, channeling air through the bonnet scoop, up and over the curved roofline, and around the distinctively Jaguar muscular haunches. This helps deliver the impressive 0.29 CD drag coefficient, preserving battery power to further improve range. Futuristic and super slim, the LED headlights feature Jaguar's iconic double J-blade graphic. The sleek LED taillights also feature dramatic sweeping sequential indicators, giving a distinctive on-road presence. The all-new Jaguar I-Pace. Electrifying design. The new I-Pace will change your expectations of SUV interiors forever. The sense of spaciousness can be felt throughout the cabin. Unconstrained by an engine or transmission tunnel, the cabin can sit further forward, creating more legroom, more knee room. A luxurious sports car focus that reflects the vehicle's performance is evident throughout. From the sleek, low, minimalist instrument panel to the rich, solid finishes and metallic touches that surround you. Form-fitting sports or performance seats in luxurious leather with twin-needle stitching further enhance the contemporary interior and help connect you more closely to the drive. Because electric powertrains are so quiet, I-Pace features acoustic laminated glass to silence exterior noise, further enhancing the sense of refinement inside. The all-new Jaguar I-Pace. Electrifying interior design.